Don gloves and eye protection. Remove blood and bile burden from instruments with disinfectant product. If instrument has lumens, flush lumens over the transport container with fluid from the first step pouch. Remove excess fluid from transport container. Place wiped instrument into transport container and spray with pre-cleanse. Place and secure lid onto transport container. Remove gloves and perform hand hygiene. Don clean gloves. Use disinfecting wipes on the exterior surface of the transport bin and the pre-cleansed bottle. Remove gloves and perform hand hygiene. Take transport bin to the soiled utility room.